All right, in this video, I'm gonna show you step by step how to make money making videos, whether it's for YouTube or for clients. And here's the catch, bro. You do not have to show your face. And to make it even better, we're gonna be using software that completely automates this process to the point where anybody can do this. All you need is a computer, but make sure you watch to the end because I'm gonna take you step by step. So let's get started. On YouTube, you got these kind of popular type videos, weird facts, random facts. And as you can see here, these videos get millions of views. So if you can make one of these videos, even if your channel is not popular, you can still have some success and work your way from the ground up. So let's jump into making one of these. So the software we're gonna be using today is called invideo. And what drew me to them was their AI to text video, right? That is a crazy feature. Now, they have a wide variety of plans. They do have like a free type of plan. However, I'm gonna tell you right now, bro, the watermark on the videos is gonna make all of this obsolete. 60 video uploads, you get iStock media credit, you get access to all this premium media. And let me tell you something, as a graphic designer, this alone, having access to this, forget all the other stuff, this is a steal. And then this one, bro, this is a steal by itself as well, because 120 iStock credits is probably worth $100 by itself. So I don't know how they getting that type of deal, but that's what made me want to use it. I'm gonna have a discount code at the top of this video. If you want to get 25% off, that's gonna save you a lot of money and you can go ahead and use this. But let's go ahead and make some content, right? And I'm gonna show you how easy it is. So like these weird facts, that's what I picked. I'm using a tool called TubeBuddy to kind of see what the search volume is. Weird facts about the male body, the female body, but just weird facts by itself has a bunch of competition. It has a bunch of searches though. So that's what we're gonna use. So if y'all don't know me by now, y'all know that I am a Texan. And so one thing us Texans do is just take pride in everything that we do. So I decided to do a top 4 cities in Texas and give me weird facts about each city, right? So this is what it turned back to me. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you how we're gonna use this to create a video out of, right? So when you hover over these videos, you kind of see a lot of the times it's a voiceover. It's kind of like a slideshow type deal. It's video, it's images, and I'm about to show you how to create that, right? But first, so boom, now that we see how these videos work, we're about to use invideo and our text that we generated from over here to do this, right? So there will actually be 2 ways to do it, right? The templates way, which I'm gonna keep it real with you, is a lot more work because you have to kind of dig in and do these manually, which isn't a bad thing. Like you see, this is really good stuff, bro. Like even for my content, for my social media content, bro, this is like really good stuff. But that's not what we're here to do. We're here to make it easy and put these videos out, right? So you're gonna come over here to text to video, and then boom, we can grab any of these, boom, general business facts, right? So it's gonna kind of give us like a preview. And honestly, I don't like that. I kind of want something full screen. So I kind of like how this one flows. So I'm gonna pick elegant jewelry slideshow. And so I can get down with how this flows. So we're gonna use this. So we wanted landscape. So we're gonna use template. And then it's gonna tell us to write our script in to create the scenes, right? So the easiest way to convert your script to an engaging video in minutes, start by entering your script with each new sentence on a new line. The first sentence will automatically become the headline and the remaining sentences will be split into individual scenes. Click on create scenes after you've entered the entire script, right? When it comes time to add this in, it says the easiest way, boom, start by entering your script with each sentence on a new line. The first sentence will automatically become a headline scene and the remaining sentences will be split into individual scenes, right? So boom, we're gonna come here and we're gonna do weird facts about the greatest Texas city, right? And then on a new line, we're gonna paste in our Austin, and then we might even add Texas, and then we might do a dash, and then we're gonna copy and paste that info in, and then we're gonna do that for the rest of them. Okay, so now that we got that in, you know, we want stock and premium, and then we're gonna create scenes. Boom. All right, so we've got a starting point for something that honestly, as a professional video editor, I mean, this is 5 minutes compared to maybe 30 minutes of searching for this stuff, almost maybe maybe an hour, right? So we've got all the scenes. I wonder what this is about. You know, and AI isn't always perfect, so that's where our human touch comes in. She looks like she's maybe hung over in San Antonio. I don't know. Okay, and what happened is it split this up, right? And so I don't really need this, so I'm gonna delete this. I could leave it if I wanted to, but I don't really. And then boom, it's got, so it pretty much helped us out a lot, but we're gonna go in here and do some tweaking. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I like this image, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this one, and I'm gonna edit this scene. So media 1 image, and I'd rather have a picture of the Alamo here, so I'm gonna go Google a picture of the Alamo. Here, let me go over here to images actually and do Alamo, and here's some images of the Alamo. So I'm gonna select this image, and it said boom to add as a layer, so I'm gonna scale it up. You can hold shift, you can hit crop to screen, stretch to screen, all that. And so once you see this arrow right here, you can kind of drag it without losing its proportion. And it looks like you can come do that for corners. So I'm just gonna do that. And so boom, the professional thing would come to this layer under it, unlock it, and then boom, delete. So boom, I fixed that. Now we're gonna come over here to this Houston scene, which you click down here to go right next to it. And National Museum, funeral. I'm gonna just do a backdrop of Houston. That just feels better, it seems better. So I'm gonna do the same thing, then do the same thing, come over here, trash that original layer. And then that even exposed to me that I didn't cover this the whole way like I thought. So I'm just gonna stretch that out a little bit, and then boom, now that is done. So when I go back to my storyboard, and so that's the first part of that. The next thing I would do is kind of add some animation, because I don't like just the static images, right? So I'm gonna go to animation. With that selected, I would maybe do zoom out from out, see if that changes anything, right? See, that's better. And then out, I'm gonna do the same thing, and maybe we'll zoom to right on out, and then the next slide will come in. So I'm gonna do that for all the slides. And so what I went and did is also in place, I added like pan right and stuff like that, because the more movement, the better, just to keep a viewer watching and everything like that. So the next edit I would make is the music, right? Because this is a Texas type thing, and I could even add a voiceover, right? So let me find some audio. It could be country, Western, any of that stuff. Okay, and I like inspiring country trailer, so I'm gonna use that. Hit the plus sign, we're gonna hit yes, right? And we could even do a voiceover. Let's play with a voiceover. So we're gonna do automated voice to speech, and we can use John US English, and we're gonna generate voiceover. And here's a preview.
Dallas, the Dallas-Fort Worth Airport, DFW is...
All right, and that sounds good to me. So we're gonna add that. What I've decided is that the voiceover would be too long for this type of video. However, you could do it if you maybe had more text or even wanted to speed it up. So I like the text. I don't really have no problems with it. So the next thing I'm gonna do is hit export. Now I'm gonna go ahead and export in 1080 quality, and it's gonna go ahead and render that video. Now, bonus coverage with Rico, right? I'm gonna show you the easiest way to make a thumbnail for free. Gonna sign up for free, boom. So I'm gonna start create a design, YouTube thumbnail. You know, I'm not gonna use a template, right? So I'm gonna actually just use the blueprint of one of these other ones. It's gonna have the Texas landscape, and then boom, something like facts or Texas, right? So I'm gonna go to Google and do Texas land. And here's one with a nice blue sky right here that I believe I'm gonna take. So I'm gonna use this image right here. I'm gonna save it, just put it on my desktop. All right, and then I'm gonna come over here. Nope, I'm not gonna page. I'm nope. I'm gonna go to uploads. I'm gonna upload file. I'm gonna go to my desktop, pick this image up, and then sit it on there, scale it up to fit. You know what? Usually this would look terrible, but that just squishing it down just makes it honestly better. And then boom, there we go. We have that landscape background. So now we're gonna come over here, take another look, and we're gonna add text. It's gonna let us use this, or you gotta be a pro. We're only free stuff. So if I can, boom, if I can edit, go weird facts. No, so I want a true red here. I don't know why I want that. You know what? I want to change the font big and bold. So I'm gonna go Anton. That's a font I'm familiar with. It's all. I want it all caps, black, same black. Boom, and that stands out more. And then I want to do a text box. No, I'm gonna do it right up here. Of course, I'm gonna mess with these effects. Bring up this parents full, and then color black, and I want font color to be true red. I'm gonna move that right up here. And then boom, I could even get a little bit more fancy and do a Texas flag right here, but I will not, right? So here we got a thumbnail and a video, and now I'm gonna play this video for you and show you. So on top of everything, bro, invideo is just a dope platform. I've shown you how you can use that in ChatGPT to completely automate whatever it is you're doing with this. Once again, it's not all about that. There's so much stuff that you can do either for companies, for realtors, all types of things that you can sell this service to, input images of their homes that they're shooting and sell this to them. And hey, even at $5 a video, bro, if you do 10 of those, you've already made back what you spent on this and more. So man, y'all let me know what y'all think about this video in the comments, man. Rico gang, I love y'all. Let's get it.